Hello children, hope you're all fine and safe. Welcome back children. Children, listen to me. See, in the last video class, I remember telling you, live class, I remember telling you regarding the mm, communicable disease. Okay, I remember giving you the introduction regarding the communicable disease. Am I right? Okay. In this class, we are going to continue with it. Okay, know what is meant by communicable disease. The disease which spread from one person to another person is called as communicable disease. Any disease which has the capability of spreading from one person to another person is called as communicable disease. Okay, when they when they are in close contact with the disease affect person, the disease will spread from a healthy person from a sick person to the healthy person. Okay, maybe even by sharing the personal things like kerchief, towels and all, these disease will spread. Okay, and who causes these type of disease is again microorganism like bacteria, virus and protozoan. The communicable disease is also called as contagious disease or infectious disease. I'm getting back to you. Communicable disease which spread from one person to another person. Okay, when we share the things used by the sick person, the disease will spread. Okay, and it is caused because of bacteria, virus and protozoan. It is also called as contagious or infectious disease. This is the story about the communicable disease. Let's continue with the non-communicable disease which not spread from one person to another person. Okay, it is maybe because of malnutrition or because of malfunctioning of the body. This disease will happen. It will not spread from one person to another person. This sort of disease is called as non-communicable disease. Okay, and children, decade back there was a disease, namely swine flu was very commonly seen. Okay, and the swine flu, listen to me carefully children, it is because of a virus. Okay, swine means pig. Okay, because of pig, this virus will spread among the human being, and the symptom of this particular disease is fever, cough, sore throat, body ache, headache, chillness, and fatigueness. Fatigueness means tiredness. Okay, this is what is about the swine flu. And children, you know how these diseases spread from one person to another person, or how these diseases are caused. Do you have any idea, children? Okay, fine. These diseases are caused because of certain agents which spread the disease. They are the air, water, sexual contact, and the other animals. Okay, see, common cold, pneumonia, and tuberculosis are airborne disease. Because of the air, the disease will spread. So we call it as airborne disease. Common cold, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. Cholera and dysentery are waterborne disease because of the contaminated water. Okay, AIDS and syphilis are because of the sexual contact. And malaria, dengue and chikungunya are because of the other animals like mosquito. And children, you know, there is an interesting story. This mosquito, it is a very dangerous animal because it causes so many diseases. Okay, there is a mosquito by the name female Anopheles mosquito. The mosquito's name is Anopheles. Okay, and this particular female Anopheles mosquito, it carries the microbes which causes malarial fever. Okay, and this mosquito, it bites. When it bites the human being, the saliva will be injected inside our body. Okay, and the saliva will be having the microorganism which will spread inside our body. Okay, so the female Anopheles mosquito carries the microbe which causes malarial fever. Okay, the malarial fever is caused because of Plasmodium vivax. Okay, and that will be carried out by the mosquito, and when it bites, the fever will attack a normal human being. Okay, and chikungunya and dengue is also because of mosquito. Okay, and there is a fever called as sleeping sickness, that is because of the other fly, namely tick fly. Okay, so the diseases are because of the contaminated water air and the sexual contact or because of some other animals. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye. Take care.